Hey there, future stock moguls. Welcome to the exciting world of investing with Robinhood. Ready to dive into the world of investing and trading with Robinhood? It's a game changer for beginners and pros alike. Stick around for the next 3 minutes, and I'll make it as fun and easy as possible. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. And don't forget to click on the link in the description below to get your special offer. All right, let's get started. First things first, download the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play. It's your gateway to the stock market. It's free, and you'll need it to start trading. The installation is quick and easy. Open the app and sign up by entering your basic details. This includes your name, email, and a secure password. It's like signing up for a new social media account, but with more potential to make some cash. Plus, it's super user-friendly. Once you're in, you'll find the home screen, which shows your portfolio value, today's return, and buying power. It's your dashboard to financial freedom. Think of it as the DJ booth where you'll be mixing your investment tracks. You control the beats of your financial journey. Next, you'll want to link your bank account. It's safe, I promise. Robinhood uses top-notch security to protect your information. Just follow the steps, and you'll be able to fund your account in no time. This is where the magic begins. Now let's talk about finding stocks. This is where you get to explore and discover potential investments. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to look up companies you're interested in. It's like Googling your favorite brands, but with a financial twist. Let's say you're a fan of Apple. Who isn't, right? Type in Apple and hit search. Boom! There it is. You'll see the Apple stock page with all the juicy details like the current price, charts, and news. Ready to buy? Let's do it! Tap on the buy button and enter how many shares you want. It's that simple. Or if you're starting small, you can buy fractional shares. This is perfect for beginners. That means you can own a piece of Apple without having to pay for a whole share. How cool is that? It's a great way to diversify your portfolio. Okay, so you've bought some stocks. What's next? Let's keep the momentum going. Your portfolio will show all the stocks you own and their performance. This is where you track your progress. Keep an eye on it and decide if you want to hold on to them or sell them if you think it's time to cash out. It's all about strategy. To sell, simply tap on the stock, hit sell, and enter the number of shares. Easy peasy. You'll get the hang of it in no time. And hey, don't forget about the Robinhood Snacks section. It's a treasure trove of information. It's where you can get bite-sized news updates to keep you informed. Staying updated is key to making smart investment decisions. Think of it as your daily dose of financial vitamins. A little bit of news each day keeps you sharp and ready. Well, that's a wrap, folks. You've taken your first steps into the world of investing. You're now ready to start trading on Robinhood. The journey has just begun. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Patience and persistence are your best friends. So take your time, do your research, and have fun with it. The more you learn, the more you earn. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Spread the knowledge. And as promised, click on the link in the description below to get your special offer. Happy trading. Catch you in the next video. Until then, happy investing.